With just 4 days left to CAT, one thing, one secret which can truly help you, which can calm you down, which can inspire you, and which can just light up a fire within you so that you can make it happen in CAT, and not just in CAT, but after that for all the other exams and also for your MBA interview preparation. That one thing is visualization. Now, I've spoken about visualization in a lot of my other videos, but I've not had a complete video on that. But this is my attempt to make you understand and how in these last 4 days, if you can imagine yourself, say, at an IIM Calcutta, or if you can imagine yourself at an IIM Bangalore, or if you can imagine yourself at an IIM Ahmedabad, the three best B schools in India, then probably you will certainly start that there is a new desire within you which will make you do a lot of things which you otherwise might not have done. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur, and let's get on with the video. The idea behind me creating this video when we're just 4 days ahead of CAT, we're 4 days behind CAT, is just this one very simple thing that I want you to spend these last 4 days entirely relaxed. These days, these last 4 days, 3 days can become really stressful for you. I know that. I've been an MBA aspirant for more than 1 year. And I know that these last 4 days, no matter how supportive your family is, no matter how supportive your friends are, things can get to you. And when things start to get to you and when you start feeling stressed, that is when you decrease your chances of CAT. Instead of that, imagine something good. Visualization. Attract those good images, those good vibes to you. This might sound to be a very philosophical video to most of you, but if you understand the true theme of this, you would truly make good use of it because visualization really works. The simple idea is that try and imagine yourself after your MBA, that okay, you've done your MBA from a top IIM or a top B school, and what is it that your life is after completing that MBA from that top B school. For that, one of the things which you can do, which I can help you with, is this, that just go on to my channel, my YouTube channel, and there is an entire playlist on MBA vlogs. This has some 27 videos in it as of now. And the starting from vlog number one is what I've shared with you, that how is my life after MBA? How is my life after IIM Udaipur? I am an entrepreneur and my work is about consulting. My work is about helping startups, helping brands in their strategy part. And also, I am building a community of my own of MBA students where I'm helping all the MBA students find their own path from their MBA. Now, in this vlog series, you will see that how my each day is, and the first some 20 odd vlogs I've shot in Dubai where I stayed for about a month. Now, these vlogs will give you a good visualization that what is it that you can expect for yourself and how do you really feel good about it. Now, when you start to visualize about your life after your MBA, then you need to take a step backwards and try and imagine yourself at that good B school where you want to be. Even for that, I have vlogs. I have my vlogs from IMA. Imagine yourself at an IMA, at an IIM Bangalore, at an IIM Calcutta, or whichever B school you are aiming for. I don't care about that. Just imagine that. This would help you in two ways, very simple two ways. This helps you visualize, this helps you make that vision in your head of where you want to be. And the second thing, and the more practical and a more hands on kind of a application for you right now, is that it will also help you in your MBA interview prep. I created a video on it entirely, that how do you start for that. And this is very important because only when you start to visualize your life after MBA, only when you start to visualize the things which you will do at your MBA college, then you will know that okay, why exactly am I doing MBA? What is my objective for doing MBA? Why am I doing MBA? That answers your very crucial why MBA question. And even before you join any coaching institute for your interview prep, you would already have some very strong ideas about why you are doing your MBA. You'll suddenly find that this visualization exercise has helped you find originality in your answers. And MBA schools are looking for original people. This video was just to remind you about this one very powerful exercise which will not only help you right now when you're an MBA aspirant, it will also help you when you become an MBA student and you want to get the best outcome for yourself in your MBA. With that, I hope that you'll start to visualize. I will try my best to help you with it. I have my vlogs and maybe something else which is coming up to you shortly. I'll see you then. Thanks a lot and goodbye.